Welcome to Drew Marine. Drew Marine is the leading marine supplier for ocean-going vessels recognized for quality and high performance in technology, support services, and supply solutions. Drew Marine focuses on providing solutions for water treatment, fuel management, cleaning, maintenance, repair, and safety. Protect your crew's health and ensure your ship's operating systems with a comprehensive water treatment solution from Drew Marine. Central to Drew Marine's mission is offering programs, not just products, designed and proven to protect systems and increase the efficiency of your vessel's technical operations. Our programs offer unparalleled immediate feedback and support to operating engineers. Drew Marine's Fuel Management Solutions. With ever-changing fuel quality, higher costs, and more stringent regulations, Drew Marine recommends a risk-based approach to fuel management. This proven solution set is based on knowing your fuel and identifying opportunities for reducing your maintenance and operating costs. From sludge reduction and combustion enhancement to corrosion and emissions control, Drew Marine has your solution. Maintenance Solutions. Drew Marine offers our business partners superior, consistent maintenance programs worldwide. And we offer our technical application support for all your cleaning needs. Count on Drew Marine to provide you with effective solutions for your vessel's maintenance, cleaning, and repairs. Accommodation Solutions. Now more than ever, your crew's health and safety is your top priority. Drew Marine's Crew Care Accommodation Cleaning Program is a complete product suite for cleaning and sanitizing all areas of your vessel, producing cleaner and healthier working environments for your crew. Utilizing superior chemistry management and the latest in bio-based technology, our Crew Care program delivers you unparalleled accommodation solutions. Cargo Hold Solutions. Our special purpose products and expertise contribute to educated decisions that promote fast, effective cargo hold cleaning with minimal port time. Utilize Drew Marine's and our business, Chemo Marine's, specialized solutions to keep your ship and your recipient's cargo safe. From engines and generators to compressors and hydraulic systems, Drew Marine has your specialty lubricant needs covered. As the global authorized distributor for ExxonMobil's flagship marine lubricants, Drew Marine brings the product, and through our support operators and service engineers, Drew Marine brings the service to make sure that your vessel operates optimally. Welding Solutions. For more than 30 years, Drew Marine has been fulfilling our customers' welding needs utilizing the most reliable technology from the world's leading manufacturers. Our welding equipment is customized and designed specifically for the maritime industry. With a renewed emphasis on protecting the environment, it is important to maintain refrigeration systems and equipment in good working order. Systems that are leaking refrigerants can be costly and also harm the environment. We have gathered a line of products to help you service and maintain your refrigeration systems, ensuring you meet regulatory, environmental, and operational requirements. Sealing products. Rely on Drew Marine for sealing products and technology that consistently meet the rigorous demands of the maritime industry. Packings and jointings are high quality and non-asbestos, helping you reduce maintenance costs and keep critical shipboard equipment functioning properly and safely. So why do our business partners value Drew Marine? They appreciate our knowledgeable and experienced technical sales organization, and they know that our team of professional technical service representatives are available in all major seaports. They're impressed with our extensive maritime industry experience and our high-quality application-based products and services. Not to mention, they know that we're focused on environmental, health, safety, security, and regulatory compliance. To learn more about Drew Marine, we invite you to check out our website at www.drew-marine.com or drop us an email at info@drew-marine.com.